Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the underwater object detection and fish detection. So this is the complete data set and these are the labeling parts. So let's open the training images. These all are training images of fish and metal object, okay, which are present in the underwater sea. So it contains a dataset of 1041 images. It is a combination of the different type of fish and the metal object. So this project will classify the type of the metal object or fish. So user have to just give the input image and the machine learning model will classify the type of object and fish. Okay, so this is the complete data set. Let's close it. These are the labels. Okay, and these are the complete project folder. This is the YOLO v5 model folder. Okay, let's open the terminal and write python space main.py. So we have to run the python file, then you will got one URL. So you have to just copy that URL and paste in any browser. So I'm just copying that URL and paste in any browser. Let's open a new browser and paste here. So it will open the home page. We have to browse any input image. So let's select any input image or video. Right now I'm selecting any video that contain multiple images and click on the submit button. So it will detect the type of object like a fish or metal object. So this video is a combination of all those images. So this model will detect the type, the fish and the metal object. So the detection part will done frame by frame. So it will take time to detect all those object and the fish. This type of project we're developing related to computer science domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, opencv, Java, Android and web development. Okay, so if you're searching a type of project or if you have any doubt in any domain related to that, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. Or if you have any doubt related to that project, so you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Okay, let's complete the video. This is the complete project, and this project developed using Python programming language, and the web framework like Django is used for user interface. Okay, and if you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.